Welcome to TradeLeaks, where polished broker marketing goes under the microscope. We don't do fluff. We deliver hard facts on regulation, platform transparency, support quality, and whether awards are real or just flash. Today, we uncover Hantec Markets, a global broker with a long history, but not immune to scrutiny. Hantec Markets is regulated by Mauritius FSC and regulated in the UK under FCA, though the Mauritius entity remains the backbone for most international clients. While FCA and ASIC oversight are strong, the Mauritius license provides limited safeguards. Client funds and recourse still hinge on that lower-tier regulator. They support MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Good to see MT5. Plus, they offer a demo account via MT5 to practice with virtual cash, which is useful but common to all brokers and doesn't guarantee live execution quality. Their custom Hantec Mobile app, launched in 2023, could attract accusations of slippage or skewed pricing. MT5 remains the most reliable choice. Hantec Markets also promotes proprietary prop trading programs with up to 90% profit payouts in demo environments. But demos and challenges are marketing tools. They illustrate potential, not actual reliability in live environments. Award-style claims? On Wikipedia, Hantec Markets lists titles like Most Transparent Broker Global, Most Trusted Broker Africa, Best Provider of Traders Fund Security from Global Forex Awards and Forex Expo Dubai in 2023. Yet these awards come from industry-driven events, not objective broker-audited analyses. Customer ratings on BrokersView show mixed user feedback. Praise for tight spreads and fast withdrawals, but serious complaints about server latency, leverage changes mid-trade, and slow verification. That's a red flag. Scripted service responses won't cover up technical inconsistencies. At TradeLeaks, we reveal, you decide. Stay informed. TradeLeaks out.